big dog. Fly nigga running around here acting like they big dogs, man. Yeah, I think I know who big dog is, man. Still ain't grow here, little voodoo ass nigga. Little boy ass nigga. Stay in your lane, little nigga. Soak up some game, little nigga. Stay in your lane, little nigga. Soak up some game, little nigga. Soak up some game, little nigga. Stay in your lane.
Hey, where's the other guy though?
Said I was poppin', I did. I just might run up a ticket.
Yeah, okay, motherfucker. Why you mad though? Why you mad? Motherfucker. Fuck you, nigga.
Big dog, big dog, big dog, big dog. My paper straight like a big dog. I'm holding weight like a big dog. Big dog, big dog, big dog, big dog. Now I stay straight like a big dog. Hit from the bed like a big dog. Big dog, big dog. Hit him in the head, watch the shit fall. Running through the city like crib ball. Bitch, I got racks like this time. Run up on me tripping, they gon' miss y'all. Fuck nigga broke, need to fix y'all. Chop a bullet thumbing like a guitar. Never knew a nigga make it this far. Big dog, big dog. Walking through the city like a big dog. Pull up on a nigga in a rental car. Strip a nigga naked like a porn star. Big dog, big dog, big dog. Do what I wanna. Big dog blowing marijuana. We used to ride around 50 bricks in Gucci Hummer. Show dread nigga was a gunner. I feed your ass to piranhas. Put you to bed like pajamas. Big dog, big dog, big dog. I'm running shit like I'm Congress. I'm gonna eat like regardless. Yo, big dog paying me homage. I'm the Clayco Mr. Rogers. Said I was poppin', I did it. I just might run up a ticket. Tell him it's 50 to kick it. Trapping like 50 and did it. Used to kick those off the hinges. Now I pull up in the business. Bitch, I got love in my city. And I got plugs in your city. Big dog, big dog, big dog, big dog. My paper straight like a big dog. I'm holding weight like a big dog. Big dog, big dog, big dog, big dog. Now I stay straight like a big dog. Hit from the bed like a big dog. Nigga might pull up in the moose tank. Elm Street gang with a juice tank. Call up my jeweler for a new chain. Used to have dirty ass shoe strings. Shooters on go when I tell them. Aiming at